In this short video, I thought I would look at the 3 seats and try and see what story they might be trying to tell. So the first thing that I did was remove almost these black little dust cover parts that were on each seat. When I remove those, you can tell, you see the seat frame for each seat and the webbing that's underneath. Now that webbing is very puffy. There's definitely something above that, underneath the actual seat material, that might be causing that to sag down a little bit. But I noticed too that, as I mentioned in the last video, with the 3 puncture marks, or the 6 puncture marks in each chair, when I look at the seat, on the inside of the seat, you can see there's a Roman numeral 2, and again there's 6 puncture marks in that chair seat. And in this chair seat, the Roman numeral looks like a 5, and there's a 1 there too. It might be a 6, but there's only 3 puncture marks in that one. And in this chair, there's a Roman numeral 3 and 6 puncture marks again. So whoever made these chairs definitely used those puncture marks as some sort of code with the chair and the seat. So I'm beginning to think maybe the 6 meant that it was one complete set of chairs, or at least they belong together. I also noticed in this chair, as you can see, there was a repair made there. There's a metal bracket with 2 screws. So that will have to be looked at. Now I was curious as to if this red velvet material was the original seat cushion, or seat material. And I don't think it is, because I noticed when I pulled some of it back, you can see other holes along the rail. It looks like it's just one other set of holes. So I'm guessing that at one time there was the original seat material on there, and that was taken off, and this red material was put on sometime later. I'm not sure what type of wood the seat frame is. It sort of looks like pine, but I will try and investigate that too. So when I flip the seats over, you can see, back up a little bit, the red velvet material. There's definitely a little bit of odor, musty odor, with these seat cushions. So once I take the seat material off, I will definitely clean those frames a little bit and see if it's horsehair or maybe even hay that they used as cushion underneath the red material. And then we'll air that out and try and get rid of some of that odor. Thank you, and stay tuned.